Mm-hmm. Yes, sir. Ah, look at the lights reflected. Wow. Coming from New York.
We're not even out but look at how dark it is.
Wow. How could life get better? Not sure, but it will.
Darkness. Look at how dark.
I know, New York, there's nowhere that's dark. I mean, in all of New York, you can't look this far anywhere into, like, nothingness. I don't know, it affects people so much, geography and architecture. And you're, like, bringing them together.
So that big, like
What is that? That is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. And I think it's let me guess.
UFO. Yeah, you're right.
Oh yeah, mothership landed. This is perfect times.
But why is there no one outside?
I don't know. I assume it's post-apocalyptic times.
No one's visiting. There's no one.
It's
Everyone's
bold.
staying home.
Yep.
And
But everything was booked though, so that's not the case. Everyone's just lame and boring, I think.
There was a lot of documentation about, like, people up north did not want anyone from out of town coming to stay with
Oh, I see.
What?
Stop. I see exactly what you're saying. That they're like, hey, I bet all tourist towns are like, stay the fuck out of here.
Yeah, so don't bring your city.
Yeah, I shouldn't even be like, yep, New York City. I shouldn't be even saying that. That's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy.
The experience that we have here and the information that we have here in our ordinary everyday life, living in particularly infamous New York City, has lots of stuff happening, taking place, or any other state, maybe, which contains the living example of Dharma. Dharmas can only be seen in nows. Accidents can only occur now, not in the past or future. Unless you're watching a movie or something on television. But accidents can occur now, right now. Life situations from their point of view are not regarded as problematic, particularly at all. But actually workable. Fantastic learning process. Collecting information, the learning process. And then we have what's known as the second stage of prajna, which is a thinking process, contemplating, understanding.
I miss Long Beach and I miss you, babe. I miss dancing with you the most of all. I miss the bar where the Beach Boys would go. Dennis's last stop before Kokomo. Those nights were on fire, we couldn't get higher. We didn't know that we had it all, but nobody wants you before the fall. Don't leave, I just need a wake-up call. I'm facing the greatest loss of them all. The culture is making a head of ball. I guess I'm signing off after all. New York and I miss the music. Me and my friends, we miss rock and roll. I want shit to feel just like it used to. When baby I was doing nothing the most of all. The culture is lit, and if this is it, I had a ball. I guess that I'm burned out after all. Don't leave, I just need a wake-up call. The greatest loss of them all. Culture is waiting and I have
Amigo, i no sé què ets, potser un animal salvatge que t'estires al meu llit només per poder mostrar-te. Em miro i no sé què ets, no, un misteri que em reclama, una vida en endavant, sí, una terra solitària a les ombres de la nit, un paisatge m'acompanya, jo m'estiro al seu costat esperant la matinada. Sé què ets, no, una vida deslligada. Quan t'aixeques al matí, sí, ja comences a esverar-te i ara trobo que pregunto què haig de fer, però si jo ja ho feia, i et demano què haig de dir, però si jo ja ho deia, i et demano com s'hi va, i jo ja ho sabia, cada cop et miro més. Un animal salvatge que t'estires al meu llit només per poder mostrar-te. Em miro i no sé què ets, no, un misteri que em reclama, una vida en endavant, sí, una terra solitària. I em pregunto què haig de fer, si jo ja ho feia, i m'expliques què haig de dir, si jo ja ho deia, i et demano com s'hi va, i jo ja ho sabia, cada cop et miro més. I em pregunto què haig de fer, si jo ja ho feia, i et demano què haig de dir, si jo ja ho deia, i m'expliques com s'hi va, i jo ja ho sabia, cada cop et miro més.
It's the abyss, Hannah. It's literally staring into darkness. I bet there's a lot of people who have never even had the opportunity to do this.
Mm-hmm.
It's like part of my life, though.
Can we listen how quiet it is for a minute?
Definitely. I know. I know.
It's so still. Look how still that water is. You can see all the rivers.
Anna,
Yes.
if I was water skiing right now,
Yes.
something in the universe would sort of collapse on itself because of absolute perfection. That's the only thing missing. This is the best time. This is the best time to water ski, when the water's like glass at dusk or dawn.
Destroy this moment.
I know. We didn't do that. Obviously, it would be a secluded kind of spot. We've done this at night water skiing.
A lot of people have
Yeah.
various definitions about what jazz is and what jazz isn't. And after all these years, I've come to the conclusion that all music, if it's played well, is good. If it's not played well, it's not so good. Sometimes we come up with funny stuff by using our fantasy and so forth. So now we're going to try something a little bit different.
assim, com você perto de mim, até o apagar da velha chama. E eu que era triste, descrente desse mundo, ao encontrar você eu conheci o que é felicidade, meu amor. E ter tempo pra sonhar. Da janela veio soy Corcovado, o redentor que rendeu. Quero a vida sempre assim, com você perto de mim, até o apagar da velha chama. E eu que era triste, descrente desse mundo, ao encontrar você eu conheci o que é felicidade, meu amor. Meu amor.